In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a tax extension with TurboTax. If you need a little more time to finish your tax return, TurboTax makes it pretty simple to request an extension directly from inside the platform. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get started quickly and confidently. Once you're signed in to TurboTax and you're on your tax home or return screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click Help. This is the fastest way to find the extension option without having to search through multiple menus. The Help feature is designed to point you toward tools and guided tasks, so it's a convenient starting point for this process. After the Help panel opens, click into the search field and type extension. Keep the wording simple, so TurboTax can bring up the most relevant results. You should start seeing related help topics and guided options connected to filing more time for your return. This search step helps narrow everything down so you can avoid unnecessary clicks and go straight to the correct feature. From the search results, click Filing Extension. This will take you to the area specifically intended for requesting extra time to file. Make sure you choose the option that clearly refers to filing an extension, since TurboTax may show a few similar help articles or support topics. Selecting the correct result will move you into the actual extension workflow rather than just showing general information. Next, click Start Easy Extension. Once you do that, TurboTax will guide you through the remaining prompts on screen. At this point, the platform typically walks you through the information it needs in order to prepare your extension request. Follow each screen carefully, review your entries before submitting, and continue until the extension process is complete. One important thing to keep in mind is that a tax extension usually gives you more time to file, but not more time to pay any taxes you may owe. So if TurboTax asks for an estimate, take a moment to enter that carefully. Reading each page closely can help you avoid mistakes and make sure your extension is submitted properly. And that's it. To file a tax extension with TurboTax, just open Help, search for extension, select Filing Extension, and then choose Start Easy Extension to follow the guided steps. If you found this helpful, you can replay the video and follow along on your screen at your own pace.